Good morning, I am Mr. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Civil Engineering. In this video, we are going to discuss about a topic on quartz, of the mineral that is a sedimentary rocks. Quartz is a hard, durable and abundant mineral composed of silicon dioxide. Quartz is nothing but it is a mineral that is formed from the sedimentary rocks. The sedimentary rocks are the rocks that are formed due to the continuous deposition, continuous sediments formation. It's called as the sedimentary rocks. These quartz is generated from the sedimentary rock called as the sandstone. Sandstone is the main part where the quartz is generated from. These quartz are very hard. The hardness of the the quartz mineral is around 7. Next one is the durability. Durability is nothing but the lifespan of the mineral is called as the durability. These hardness and the durability are very high in this quartz mineral. Next one is the hardness. As I said, hardness is nothing but the resistance to the breakage is called as the hardness. And next one is the weight withstanding. That is, the hardness is around 7 on the Mohs scale. Mohs scale is the standard scale for the hardness measurement. In this, the hardness for the quartz is around 7. When compared with the other minerals such as the calcite, gypsum, fluorite, this quartz has a rating of 7 in hardness, where it is very hard in nature. So the quartz is one of the best material where it can be used for all the construction purposes. This quartz has a very high hardness ratio. Next one, it has a high durability. Durability is nothing but the lifespan of a material. So the quartz has a higher lifespan. Next one is the scratch resistance. As this quartz has a high hardness and durability, high in hardness, it has a resistance to the scratch and breakages. So the quartz has a higher hardness when compared with the other minerals. Next one is the durability. Durability is nothing but the lifespan of a material is called as the durability. Here when we come to the quartz mineral, this quartz mineral has a high durability due to its hardness and lack of cleavage. Cleavage is nothing but the breakages in any plane is called as the cleavage. Due to its high hardness and cleavage, this quartz mineral has a high durable in nature, so that this quartz has a high resistance to weathering. Weathering is nothing but the breakage of a breakdown of a mineral is called as the weathering. So it has a high hardness and lack of cleavage. So the weathering is low in this quartz material. When we come to the weathering, there are 3 types of weathering. First one is the physical weathering, chemical weathering and biological weathering. Due to since the quartz has a high hardness and cleavage factor, this weathering is prevented in this quartz. Next one is the structural strength. This quartz is made up of silicon dioxide. It has 2 molecules. One is the silicon and another one is the oxygen molecule. It has 1 silicon molecule and 2 oxygen molecules. It possesses high compressive strength, and it is resistant to the chipping during normal usage. Through severe impacts can cause damages. Likewise, the structural strength is very high in this quartz material, as it has a stronger bond between the silicon and the oxygen, that is the silicon dioxide. This quartz material has a high strength. Next one is the heat and chemical resistance. When we come to the heat and chemical resistance, this quartz has a high heat and chemical resistance. While it is durable is nothing but the lifespan of a material is called as the durability. It is very heat resistant, and extreme temperature shifts can cause cracking. When it has a quick change of cool and heat, it can be broken. So it has a cracking property. It can also damage by the chemical reactions. So this quartz should be kept away from the chemical reactions. Next one, it should not be cooled very fast. so it is weaker in the heat and the chemical resistance. This quartz material can be used in any type of glass constructions where it has a high hardness ratio, it has a high cleavage ratio, it has a high durability. It should be prevented from the chemical reactions and heat resistance. Next one is the density or the specific gravity of a mineral. The quartz has a approximately 2.65 grams per centimeter cube of density. Density is nothing but here the density is 2.65 grams per centimeter cube. So the density is higher in this quartz material.